Yo, hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. Are you looking to connect Freshsales to Gmail? This tutorial will show you how to integrate Freshsales with your Gmail account, ensuring seamless email communication and contact management. Follow these steps to connect Freshsales with Gmail. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So first thing first guys, go ahead and open Freshsales to manage to open your account. So let's go ahead and search for Freshsales. As you can see, this is the account, so you have to go to Freshworks, and from this area you will be able to actually open Freshsales. So what I'm gonna do basically is to go to log or go to my accounts, and from this area I will be able to log into the account I have. Now for integration, go to admin settings, and basically from there search for the apps and the integrations and go to the marketplace apps. So for today's video, we are going to connect it for Gmail. So let's search here with for Gmail accounts. So you can literally go for the first page and search for it. In case you didn't find it, just type Gmail in here, and yeah, you might not find it. You might find other things like Google Apps for Work. So here, in case you didn't find Gmail, I will have the solution ready for you. So in case that wasn't the thing that you wanted exactly, so this is Google Apps for Work, which securely login into Google Sign On, which grants access only to G Suite users. Overview: with Google Apps for Work integration, you can seamlessly and securely sign into your Freshsales account directly from your Gmail account as an account admin for both the Freshsales and Google Apps accounts. Only you can enable the integration and empower your teams to make the most of Google Apps for Work. Now, as you can see, this is how you can do it. So how to install? We have here basically an explanation. So go to your Google Marketplace apps, then search for the Freshsales in it, and then click on install, accept these things that you are going to give as permission, then you will have to manage it and launch the app. Make sure to log into your Freshsales account and you will be good to go. Now, if this wasn't a good solution for you, I have another one that might suit your desires as well, which is basically by going to Zapier.com, and it is basically an application that exactly explains to you, or basically allows you to connect two apps in a specific way. It makes an automation, not really a connection. So how to do so? You simply have to go to apps right here. Then from this area, search for Freshsales. So let's search for Freshsales, and as you can see, you simply have to choose either Suite or Classic depending on your version. And then once you are done, so you will be able to add also your Gmail account here, just like that. Connect your Gmail, you will find it, and then click on here and create, and then choose Zaps. From this area, you will have this field where you can simply put your a prompt. It's like talking to ChatGPT. For example, connect Freshsales with Gmail. Then click on enter and wait for the outcome. So there it is. You can automatically send an email through Gmail whenever a new lead is created in Freshsales. Here's how you can build your Zap. Freshsales Classic, new lead, send email. Let's do this. Click on add, and then click on add for the second step. Sometimes you will face a couple of problems like lag or something like that, which you will be able to fix them simply just by refreshing the page itself. So you have to refresh the page, and then eventually you will have everything worked out and everything correctly made. Let's exit the page real quick, reload, and yeah, now we can add the action. Let's add it right here. Click here, search for Gmail, and let's give it the event, for example, to create, to reply or send an email. Then continue, choose the account. Let's go with this one. Continue, fill this field with the necessary things. Normally, if you have connected your Freshsales account here, these fields will be automatically answered and filled. Then once you have finished all the things that you have to fill, go right here and click on publish, and you will be able to actually connect these two and basically make an automation between them both together. Now for the add-on, we are going to talk about how we can use it. So how to use Freshsales Gmail add-on. With the Freshsales Gmail add-on, user can access information about the web application's contacts from within Gmail. This helps you gain a complete context about your prospects before engaging with them. To add the Gmail add-on in your Gmail, click the Show Site panel icon, click this plus button, then get add-on icon. This will open up Google Workplace Marketplace. Search for the Freshsales to install add-on in your Gmail and click the Freshsales tile to open up the Freshsales page on Marketplace. Click install and add your Freshsales credentials to start the installations. Then you have, as you can see, click on continue, click on the account, then give them the access to basically to these things, so they can manage draft and send email, view your email messages, run a Gmail address add-on, and some other things. They will not be able to see your password or anything like that. Then you will find it in the right side or the right bar. So as you can see here, you will find the application. Simply click on it and then authorize the access by signing in, and you will be able to sign in into your accounts. Now upon logging in, you will be taken back to your Gmail account. The Freshsales add-on will fetch information related to the contact if the contact is a part of Freshsales. If the email is not a part of Freshsales, you can add it to Freshsales by clicking on Add to Contact button. Note, if Gmail add-on doesn't log in, refresh the Gmail tab once and you will be logged in. What can I do with the Gmail add-on exactly? For the Gmail add-on, basically, and this is like a note for the Gmail add-on to show information about the lead contacts, and email should be opened. The add-on will not work on the email list view page. So what can you do with this Gmail add-on? Well, you can create a new contact, open an email from this prospect you would like to add as a contact, then you add on your add-on will present you with an option to add prospects as a contact to your Freshsales account. Second, you can get contacts about a Freshsales contact from within Gmail. Open any email, click the Freshsales add-on. The add-on opens with information relevant to the prospect if they are present in Freshsales, or you can find constant information related to the prospects on the add-on itself. The fourth, or basically to know more about the contacts, click View in Freshsales. This opens the contact in Freshsales. Note, if more than one record is created in email address, then you will be presented with a message duplicated found. Clicking in this will show you all records created under the same email address. Third, you can view a contact in Freshsales. You can open an email, click the Freshsales add-on, click the ellipse icon, and you will be presented with a drop-down list where you can click search option, and you will be presented with a search bar where you can search for a contact present in your CRM. Click on the name of the contact. A column with all relevant information will open up, and you can add and view activities. Here you can also add a new add and view note. You can send an email and much more. And that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next tutorial.